the client first, right? Learn from our mistakes. And our mistakes were we thought, you know what? We have a back office process or a branch process. Let's digitize it. Problem with that is that the processes were never optimized. They relied on people. So when you tried to put that into a digital channel, it failed miserably. The experience was horrific. What do fintechs do? They start with the experience with the customer or client and then work their way in terms of what the automation and any back office processing should be. So from our point of view, we want to start mobile first, of course, but not mobile only. Create a brilliant experience on that screen so I can consume that with a tablet, with a desktop. And if I can do that, then it will be intuitive to a colleague, as opposed to an experience that's so heavily colleague-centric that requires a lot of people, a lot of paper, and lack of automation, and try and render that from a digital point of view, it will fail. There's a lot of apps, there's a lot of websites, a lot of apps that banks produce where the functionality is there, but it's not used. And it's not used because it's either difficult, or I can't discover it, or it's clumsy or clunky. Just because I can do it online doesn't mean I will if the experience isn't brilliant.
First and foremost, understand your customers. What is it that they get from your traditional bricks and mortar, your traditional branches? How do you then, in that evolution of change, recreate what makes a person go into a branch digitally? If you can do that, then you can start to build other products and services digitally that those customers may not have tried, but will try because they're going into an environment they feel safe in. And creating that safe place for customers to go where you're the professionals, you're the ones they want to rely on, and they feel safe going digitally into your shop as they do walking into one on the high street is important.
If I was going to give one message on how to start the digital transformation journey for someone in the Central and Eastern Europe, I certainly would say don't reinvent the wheel. There are many examples of innovative approaches, digital products and digital services out there in the world, and we should be aware of what everyone else is doing, and as much as possible use the experience of others to guide our direction and to guide our strategy. Certainly there's many innovative aspects that are happening right in our region. So by saying look outside of your own particular industry or your own particular country, I don't mean to always look far west or far east for the matter, but also look around your own environment and your own neighborhood or other industries. There are many innovative examples from outside of financial services that can certainly guide and inspire the changes and the direction of digital in financial services. So from my simple message would be don't reinvent the wheel, try to learn from others and incorporate that in your digital strategy.
I would say be customer obsessed, put customer in the center rather than the products and functions and silos that typically exist in financial service, and relook and reimagine your business model, your customer delivery, and your speed to market around your customers.